Part 3. I finally finished my mannequin, and I was wanting to share it with y'all. I kind of like it better without the lights, but let's see. I'll cut them off and show you how it looks. Let's see. Yeah. And I think it would look good if I had, like I got this crown at Walmart. And they've got like, I've got one little aqua shoe. And I think I might get another one and put gold glitter on it and, you know, set it at the bottom bar. And now I'm going to show you, I guess I'll kind of undress it and show you what I did. There's the top piece. It's a little crooked, but, and I got this necklace at Walmart. And we'll take this off. And I'll just pull this, if I can, pull this up over. Well, maybe I can't. Yes, okay. Alright. And there's what it looks like without all that on it. Okay. Get out of the light. And the stand, it turned out pretty good. That's the same paint I used to stain that same material, that Durham's wood putty. But it didn't really look like a stain, but it looks pretty good. I'm pleased with it, and I'm going to use this after Christmas, so I didn't want to glue any of that stuff to it. And what I'd done, you know, I talked about, you know, the one I got at Goodwill had a stand. So I paper mache'd it, and then I cut the paper mache off of the original stand on each side, you know, and then I paper mache'd it back together. You can use a masking tape or paper mache. And then I went on the outside with this, of the stand with this Durham's wood putty. And then after that dried, it takes a lot of drying time, I turned it upside down in like a solo cup glass, and I filled it with, I was going to use plaster Paris, which dries very fast and is inexpensive, but I couldn't find any in my disaster of a shop, so I used the Durham's wood putty, and it took forever to dry, and it's not inexpensive. So it's pretty solid and has some weight to it down there, because, you know, this is hollow and this little piece is hollow. That was hard to do. I thought about just if I can back up, I think something like that would also look good. Maybe a bigger one, because those are little pieces to me. Oof. Hard to do with paper mache. See how crooked it looks, but it's still, overall, I'm very pleased. I like it a lot. And hopefully I'll get around to making one that actually has greenery on the bottom like I'd planned. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you get to make something like it, and if you do, send me a link to it. Thanks a lot.